Hello, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Again, my name is Manuel. I am here to bring you truth, knowledge, and wisdom to better improve your life. In today's video, I have some very important information for you guys. I've uh, I've already alluded to this on a previous video, but most of you guys probably didn't catch it. But today's video is on the cure for the whatever's going on. I don't want to say the word because YouTube's algorithm has been acting funny lately. So I'm going to tell you how to better prepare yourself because uh, as we look throughout history, every pandemic usually occurs in stages and there's usually phases as well. So we've recently passed through the first phase and there's going to be another phase which is going to be more deadly, and a lot more people would get sick because once you contract the virus, it doesn't you doesn't you cannot get rid of it. The only thing you can do is build your immune system to help fight it, because once you contract it, it resides in your spinal fluid and your brain stems, and it lives there. And once your immune system become weak, then it start to attack your white blood cells. So, what causes sickness? Well, sickness is the cause of poor diet, and when you are eating poorly and food that doesn't benefit you, you don't have a proper vitamin intake, so you become deficient in vitamin C or vitamin D or any other vitamins that your body need to properly functions. And poor hygienes are due to bad habits. Once you begin to eat poorly, then you develop a poor habits, which begin uh, which creates a domino effect. So you create a habit, and the habit becomes your personality. And also, negative thoughts causes sickness as well, because like I've already stated in the previous videos, the negative thoughts can kill you. So I wanted to share this information with you guys because I know a lot of people will contract this, and 80% to 90% of the people will contract it. And if your immune system is not up to par, then you know the health risk. So, what is vitamin C? Vitamin C is rich in antioxidants, and it boosts your immune systems so you can better fight diseases. It's uh, it's also antiviral, and most of the foods that contains vitamin C, I will go over on a later slides, but I recommend eating a lot of fruits and vegetables that are rich in vitamin C to boost your immune systems. So shall we take a look at an article regarding vitamin C? So here's from U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. Vitamin C is also known as L-ascorbic acid, is a water-soluble vitamin that is naturally present in some foods, added to others, and available as a dietary supplement. And vitamin C is required for the biosynthesis of collagen, L-carnitine, and certain neurotransmitters. Vitamin C is also involved in protein metabolisms. I'm going to put a link to these articles um, done at the description below so you guys can look at it at your own time. Vitamin C is also an important physiological antioxidant and has been shown to regenerate other antioxidants within the body, including I'm not going to try to pronounce that word and butcher it. Tocopherol, something like that. Ongoing research to examine whether vitamin C by limiting the damage effects of free radicals. Vitamin C plays an important role in immune function. It boosts your immune systems so you can better fight diseases. So if you have a healthy immune systems, you can contract any virus, any bacteria. The disease is not going to be able to flourish in your body because your white blood cells will be able to attack it uh, as soon as it enters the body. It improves absorption of iron, and you guys can look at this on at your own time. I'm going to put the link at the description below. See, recommend fruits and vegetables that are best source of vitamin C are right here: red pepper, orange, grapefruit, kiwi, green peppers, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, which is why your mother said to eat your broccolis. Tomato juice, cantaloupe, cabbage, cauliflower, potato, tomato, spinach, green peas, and many more. And let's go back to the slide, guys. So, like I said, if you can also supplement with vitamin C from I guess in the forms of tablets or uh, any other form of you know. And another great antiviral is vitamin D. Let's go ahead and fast forward. Okay, vitamin D. How do you obtain vitamin C? From sunlight, UV rays. Well, I guess Trump was not wrong when he said uh, to expose yourself to UV light. He was quite correct. So you can actually expose yourself not to the high UV rays in the afternoon, but I recommend sunrise or sunset when the UV's rays is actually at the lowest. And vitamin D aids in cell growth, and it boosts your serotonin levels, stabilizes mood. This is why during like rainy days or dark days, you kind of feel like your mood has leveled down, that you feel sad, and that you feel very happy, and your mood brightens during sunny days. That is because vitamin C regulates your serotonin levels, and it stabilizes your mood. So having high vitamin D uh, in your system will promote growth, and you will actually start to feel happy because that's what it's for. Food food that are rich in vitamin C, like I've already stated. You guys can uh, take a look at the link below. So we'll take a look at the article on vitamin D from U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. Vitamin D is a fat-soluble vitamin that is naturally presented in very few foods, added to others, and available as a dietary supplement. It is also produced endogenously when ultraviolet rays from sunlight strike the skin and trigger vitamin D synthesis. This is how plants grow, guys, through photosynthesis from UV lights. That's why you can learn a lot from nature. Vitamin D obtained from sun exposures, food, and supplement is biologically inert and must undergo hydro, hydroxylations in the body for activations. The first occurs in the liver and convert vitamin D to hydroxy vitamin D. So let's see. Vitamin D promotes calcium absorption in the gut and maintains adequate serum calcium and phosphate concentration to enable normal mineralization of bone and to prevent hypocalcemic titany, if I'm pronouncing this right. It also needed for the bone growth and bone remodeling by osteoblasts and osteoclasts. Osteoporosis, as you guys might be aware of, is caused by consuming too much milk. Milk doesn't actually build strong bones; it actually creates osteoporosis and weakens your bone. Milk is only recommended during infancy, where your body is in the first stage of growth. After that, once you start consuming a lot of milk, um, you start developing your bones start developing osteoporosis. See, the bone can become thin, brittle, or misshapen. Vitamin C sufficiency prevents rickets in children, and osteomalcia in adults. Well, you guys can read this on your own terms. Reference intakes. Uh, it's recommended to have 40 nanograms of milliliter of vitamin D in your body or higher, so that way you can boost your immune systems. Okay, let's go back to the slide, guys. Like I said, this is the ultimate forms of cure. The ultimate cure for everything in life is happiness. Once you have happiness, it is the cure for poverty. It is the cure for sickness. Anything you can think of, happiness is the cure, because you are vibrating. Like I've stated in earlier videos, you are vibrating at a higher frequency where only positive things happen in those frequencies. So when you become happy, you never get sick. You rarely get sick because sickness um, doesn't operate on a high frequency plane. It's only on a lower frequency. Uh, when you when you see a sick person, I mean they're vibrating at a lower frequency. The body doesn't have the proper food, the proper vitamins, proper anything to grow. So this is why my channel is mostly about promoting happiness and peace of mind, because it's the ultimate form of cure for everything. And once you have happiness, no other supplement is needed. You don't have to take anything. Just continue to live your life as you are. You will never get sick. So this is the end of the video, guys. Until next time. Hope you guys got some valuable information.